Good morning, my dear ones. Today we are going to do our textual activities. So all of you take your English textbook and take the page number 48. We already learned our lesson and our lesson name is The Wind and the Sun. Do you remember that? Okay, my dears. Now we are going to do our textual works. Our first activity is reading is fun. What is our first activity? That is reading is fun. And our first question is, what did the wind do to get the man's coat off? This also we already discussed. Okay. Now I just repeat that answer. Okay. The wind began to blow hard to get the man's coat off. This is our answer. Our next question is, what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? What is the answer? Do you remember? The sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. Okay. The sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. Are you clear? Then our next question is, who won in the end? Who won? Do you know who won? The sun won in the end. Right? Yeah, my dears. Then take the next page, my dears. Our next activity is say aloud. Find a rhyming words from the story for each of these words. Here have some rhyming words. Okay, our first word is bun. You should find out the other rhyming word from our story. This is your activity. Okay, this is yours today's activity. You should do this and send it to me. I just give the first answer. Okay, bun, sun, bun, sun. Can you say hold? That is cold. Okay. Other things you should find out and send it to me. Okay. Then our next activity is let's write. Okay. Here are some doing words in the story. First word is walking, second is smiling, third is blowing, and fourth one is pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. These words are called doing words. Ing words are called doing words. Okay, you should find out 3 more doing words from our story and write here. Okay, this also yours activity. Okay, dears, this also you should do and send it to me. And our next activity is choose the right word from the box below. What is our next activity? Choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. I just read the activity now. Listen to me. One day the wind and the sun had a competition. They dashed to make a man take off his coat. Can you say the answer? They wanted to make a man take off his coat. So our first answer is wanted. Okay. First, the wind dash had. Do you know answer? Do you know the answer? That is blue. So write here blue. Okay. The man pulled his coat tightly round himself. What is the answer? That is pulled. The man pulled his coat tightly round himself. Then the sun started shining hard. The man felt hot and he took off his coat. Are you clear? Okay, dear children, this also write and send it to me. Okay. Then take the next page, my dears. Our next activity is look at these pairs of words with opposite meaning. See, we have some opposite words here. First word, hot, hot opposite cold. Big opposite small. Strong opposite weak. Now write the opposites of. Shall we write, my dears? Okay, just look here, babies. Do you know good opposite word? That is bad. Okay, tall, short, short. Then hard, soft. Hard opposite soft. Then black. I know you know this opposite word black. Say yes, my dears. White. 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 Good, bad, tall, short, hard, soft, black, white. Are you clear?